Welcome back to Now in Chinese. Mia here at a supermarket, and today let's learn 汉字秋 with Genshin Impact. 行秋. Today is also 行秋's birthday. 生日快乐. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the form of 汉字秋. The structure is left-right. It has two parts. The left part is 禾. 禾 means grains, so it's a pictograph, and the shape of it resembles this thing behind me, the plant of rice, for example. That's 禾, and 秋, autumn is the harvest season for rice, bags of rice. The right part of 秋 is 火. You probably already know this 汉字, which means fire. So in autumn, after harvest, we need to burn out some remaining unused parts of the plants. So that's why 火 is also in 汉字秋. What fruits are popular in China during autumn? Top one, I would say 梨. Here, 这是秋月梨. Very sweet. These are 秋月梨. Quite sweet. See this chart. The flavor, the sweetness, pretty high. The pronunciation of 秋 can be a bit tricky. So here, pay attention. Although it is written like this, the actual vowel sound is E and O. So together, yo, yo, yo. It's not ü. Then let's add consonant qi. Qiu, qiu, qiu. Great. For example, the name of 行秋 should be pronounced as 行秋, 行秋. Excellent. Then let's learn a few words with 汉字秋. First up, 秋天, autumn, fall. 秋天 or 秋季. 秋季 is more formal. 秋季 also means autumn. 秋天，现在是秋天。你喜欢秋天吗？你喜欢秋天吗？ Next one, early autumn, we say 初秋，初秋，初 means beginning， 初秋。现在是初秋，还不太冷。现在是初秋，叶子还没有黄。How about late autumn? 深秋，深秋。We can say 晚秋 too, but 深秋 is more often used. 晚 means late, right? 深 means deep. The water is deep, the color is deep, this deep. 深，深秋。11月深秋的时候，南通晚上很冷。For example, 你喜欢初秋还是深秋呢？好的。Alright, 行秋 wants me to teach you a Chinese idiom with 秋。秋高气爽。秋 autumn. 高 means high, tall. 气 air. 爽 means refreshing, enjoyable, satisfying. So, 秋高气爽 together is a very good adjective to illustrate nice, refreshing autumnal weather. Thanks for watching today's Now in Chinese. Mia here. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. And let me know in the comments, 你喜欢秋天吗? I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.